Myself Amtul, lecturer in physics from Government Viraj College, Nizamabad. So today I will discuss about basic gates. What are that basic gates are? Okay. So the circuits which are used for basic logic gates. Okay. Basic today we will discuss basic logic gates. What are basic logic gates? We will see circuits which are used to process digital signals, okay, are called basic logic gates. Okay, logic gates are nothing but these are the circuits which are used for processing digital signals. Okay, so gate is a digital circuit with one or more input voltage but only single output voltage. It is having more than one input voltage but only one output voltage. Okay, the most basic gates are called the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three gates, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, are the basic gates. By connecting these gates in different ways, we can build mm, the circuits that can perform arithmetic and the other functions, okay, that are associated with the human brain. Okay, since they stimulate mental process, gates are often called logic circuits. Okay, because they stimulate the mental process, so they are called logic circuits. Okay, so logic gates are of two types. One are combinational. Okay, logic gates are of two, that is combinational and sequential logic gates. One is combinational logic gates and another one is sequential logic gate. In combinational logic gate, what happened? What is the combinational type? Means in combinational logic gate, the output at any instant depends upon the input at that instant only. Okay, the output of a circuit depends at any instant depends on the input of that instant only. Okay, here the previous input does not have any effect. Okay, previous input does not have any effect upon the inputs of that instant. Okay, upon the output. So but in the case of sequential logic gates, the output depends on the order of sequence in which the input is applied. Okay, so logic gates of two type. One is combinational and another one is sequential. In combinational, the output depends on that input. Okay, at that instant input only. But wherever in sequential, the output is depending upon the input in which it is applying, and in the sequence manner. First it will go to first output, then next. In which manner we are applying, it will see from previous. Okay, not at that instance. So hence we can say that sequential gate possesses a memory function. Okay, so or it is written in capital, that is or, not, NAND, nor, XOR, XOR are some example of combinational gates. Okay, they are combinational gates, whereas flip-flops, counters and registers forms the sequential gates. Counter, flip-flops and registers, okay, they are sequential gates. Okay, for analysis and design of digital circuit, symbolic logic was invented by Boole. Okay, and it is called Boolean algebra. So here only two states are possible. Okay, it is, there are two states are possible. A thing can be true or false, either true or false. Okay, this Boolean algebra differs from an ordinary algebra. Okay, and binary number system, because here 1 plus 1, what we can write? Only 1. For 1 plus 1, we can write only 1. So, only 3 operations are possible in Boolean algebra. What are that? What are the 3 operations given? See the below. That is the OR addition. OR means addition. Okay, and A and D, and that is multiplication. Okay, not operation represented by bar over the variable. On variable we are representing that variable with a bar. That means now we shall discuss this 3 operations in details. That is OR, addition and multiplication, and not operation represented by bar over a variable. So first we will discuss for OR addition. Okay, OR means addition. The OR gate has 2 or more inputs signals but only one output. What is its operation? Operation of OR gate is nothing but to add. It will add. Okay, its work is to add. So it is having 2 or more inputs but only single output. So it is called an OR gate. Okay, it is called an OR gate because the output voltage is high if all the input voltages are high. The symbolic representation of 2 OR gate is given below. See, OR gate is given in this diagram. See this, 2 inputs A and B are 2 inputs. Then the symbol of OR gate is this one. This is the OR gate, and one output X is given as output. So in this, output will be high if either one input is high or both of the input is high, but you will get output as high. Even though if suppose if you are having both input low, then only you will get low output. If out of this in both input any one is high or both high, then automatically you will get high output. Okay, see this shows an electrical equivalent which explains the logic behind OR gate. Okay, this symbol shows, see, since the output results from an input A or B or both, this output it is given, see, output is bulb, it is resulting it even though if one input is high or both are high. So OR gate can be thought as an electrical circuit in which switches are connected in parallel with each other. That means we thought that it is an electrical circuit in which switches are connected parallelly. Okay, so see, this lamp will glow when A or B or both switches are closed. If A is closed, then also lamp will be glow. Otherwise, if B is closed, then also lamp will be glow. Suppose if both are closed, then also lamp will glow. Only one condition at which it is not glow means if they both are open, then only it won't glow. So OR is represented by equation A plus B is equal to X. Okay, A plus B is equal to X. So the truth table is shown with all inputs input output possibilities of a logic circuit. See, truth table is given below. So the truth table of 2 input OR gate. Okay, so it is having truth table of 2 input OR gates. Okay, so A truth table has row according to the formula 2 power n, where n is the number of inputs. Therefore, for two inputs OR gates, there are four possibilities. Okay, in the truth table, see. So, suppose the input is given, output is given. In input, two inputs are there. Must see the diagram, that is A and B. And output is given as x is equal to A plus B. Okay. So, when the input A and B are 0, that is the switches are both are open. Suppose the both switches are open, then output will be 0. Okay. Suppose when a switch is logic gate A is 0, that is A is open and B is closed, then what is the answer? X is equal to A plus B. What will be the answer? That you will get 1. Okay, when A logic gate is 0, means which switch A is open but B state is at 1, B is closed, so output is 1, that is on. Output is 1 on. Okay, again when A, that is A is 1, what is the third condition? And B is 0, that means B is open and A is closed, then again the lamp is on, that is A plus B equal to 1, again lamp is on. And what is the last condition? That both we have to take zeros over, both zeros over, A0 B1 over, B0 A1 over. Last condition is both are ones. Okay, when both switches are ones in logic gate, that is both are closed, then output will be again logic gate state is 1, that is lamp is on. Both are ones, then 1 plus 1, again you will have 1. Okay, this is about the logic gates with two inputs. Okay, that the logic gate OR gate with two inputs. Here whenever we are giving A0, this B is 1, then if any one input is high in OR gate, you will get high output. If both inputs are high, so also you will get high. If both inputs are low, then only you will get low out. Okay, so OR gate. Again it is shown here that this figure, this is showing that it shows built of two input gates. Okay, and three inputs and one output. What it represents? This the truth table of OR gate, it is given. First, that to build simplified form of a circuit. Now it is very simple to understand the truth table. So if it is given the truth table of three inputs OR gates. Okay, three inputs OR gates. Suppose here inputs are three. See, A, B, C are three inputs on and only single output, that is X is equal to A plus B plus C. See what we are writing, and if any one condition, if any one input is high, then you will get high input. Other, if all are low, then only you will get low output. So in these three conditions, suppose first take A, B, C, both are low, then what will be the output? X is equal to A plus B plus C, you will get 0. Now use as second condition, A is low, B is low, only C is high. So what you will get? X is equal to 0 plus 1, then you will get 1 high output. Then A and C both are low, B is high. In this case also you will get high. In all cases, in this you will get 8 possibilities of inputs, that is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 1 1 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. Okay, so you will get the 8 input possibilities. In this you will get all high output except one, that is both are all. If 3 are zeros, then only you will get low output, otherwise in remaining all you will get high output. This is about OR gate and addition of OR gate with 2 inputs and 3 inputs, that is truth table of OR gate.